Hello, my name's Lizzie from Motor Match Stoke, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Audi A3 1.4 TFSI S Tronic. Now, this vehicle is a petrol with an automatic transmission, and it is also ULEZ compliant. To start off with, then, you have your Bi-Xenon Plus headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with this, you also have 18-inch 5 parallel spoke alloy wheels with a silver finish, really complementing against the grey exterior colour. You also have privacy glass located in the rear and cargo area, ensuring any passengers or belongings travelling with you have the privacy they desire. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your boot space, and once open you can see that you've got a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a medium-sized suitcase or perhaps several bags of shopping. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find biathlon cloth and pearl nappa leather upholstery. The rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings, ideal for small children's car seats. Moving through the front, you have your flat bottom multifunctional steering wheel, and once again you can find that lovely upholstery, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort on any journey. You also have a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have your volume controls as well as buttons for your information panel. Taking a look at your dash, you can see this vehicle has done 85,838 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. As well as this, you also have your Bluetooth connectivity, which allows you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring that you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. You also have external media connectivity, which allows you to listen to your own music, along with your DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Moving to your climate control, you have a dual zone climate where you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, as well as easy adjust airflow and airflow direction. This has been a presentation on an Audi A3 1.4 TFSI S Tronic that is now available to purchase from Motor Match Stoke. For more information, please contact our sales team.